Stay in the know with the City of Tallahassee. The city's Tallahassee engaged in meaningful productivity for opportunity. Tempo program has been named an anchor partner with Goodwill Industries to ensure opportunities for at-risk youth. Tempo seeks to increase educational, employment, and training opportunities for 110 formerly incarcerated disconnected youth, ages 18 to 24 through the Ignite Reentry program. This is just one of many ways the City of Tallahassee's Tempo program is helping disconnected youth. Learn more at talgov.com/Tempo. Beautify your yard and protect water equality community-wide by installing a rain garden. The city's Think About Personal Pollution TAPP program is once again providing grants up to $175 to help property owners build rain gardens of their own. Rain gardens help slow the flow of water from your yard during and after a storm, which helps reduce water pollution in water bodies. Applications are open now. Owners of property located within city limits are eligible, and first-time applicants will receive priority consideration. Learn more at tappwater.org. Want to improve the welfare of animals in our community and grow your career? Tallahassee Animal Services is now hiring vet techs. New and experienced vet techs receive individualized onboard support, mentorship, and continued education opportunities. Learn more about the position and how to apply at facebook.com/COT Animals. Arctic air is forecast to arrive this weekend. The city urges citizens to take precautions ahead of this impending cold snap. Get tips to help protect water pipes, enhance fire safety, and more at talgov.com/news. Stay informed by adding City of Tallahassee News skill to your Alexa-enabled device. Follow City of TLH on your social and visit talgov.com.